Make your own hollow. Let's go. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's get a base of this. Base, and then we get some ice. Oh no.
Got the jackfruit.
Oh yeah, or this is the jackfruit. Alright, we're gonna get some caviar over here.
Oh, what fish does this come from?
You know, Finding Nemo?
Yeah.
I don't know. Dory. Frosted Flakes were not in the last one. You gotta make sure it's icy.
No, I see. Better.
I'm icy.
I'm icy.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, got some good ice in there. Oh gosh, I might need a plate underneath this. Make it more American. That's a lot of sugar. And then more of these.
That is some hollow
And then
right
more
there.
of this. Oh crap.
We will try it. Hollow completed.
I got a mix.
Man.
Everyone's a
frosted
national
flakes.
treasure. There we go. That's terrible.